Bandana Gogoi Tezpur University Pensera Lake Mate gold medal Kachipalongdun. Pliang Deng Puthimi Kungri Pipen Khaya Milur Kekai. Khelo India Youth Games Mesen Pen ke Pachunji Apan Man Kido Assam Chief Minister Lapen Assam Olympic Association along Akongchun Bang Pen Chenglok Klem Bang Pubang Piatumang Bong Kachingwai. Kardom Dili Karbi Prime Time Birta Thanbang Samijunality Mupi Non Birta Angton Pen Arjuikha. Difu Dharam Nala Assami Bandana Gogoi Tezpur University Pen MA Angdeng First Position Chipalongdun Si Sera Lake Mate Gold Medal Chipalongdun Abierta Non Hejong Kat News sa Hemalong Birta Nang Pale. Difu Dharam Nala Ame Karpuna Nanda Gogoi Pen Tulumuni Rajkumari Gogoi Asupi Bandana Gogoi Tezpur University along Master Degree Education along First Position Chipalongdun Si Sera Lake Mate Gold Medal Chipalongdun. Bandana Gogoi alang Lidipu Don Bosco School along 2012 a batch. Higher Secondary along Salbrook Academy Dibrugarh Degree Angdeng Handy Girls College Guwahati Lapen Master Degree Angdeng Lake Tezpur University Pensi Education a subject along First Position Chipalongdun Pen Assam Governor Arideng Pen Gold Medal Matijong ni Paing Korake Thom Ani Chipalongdun. Lapen non alang li PhD Kachali Jia Pan Chisik Bom Lupusi Pirangkiatum Karjuahut Pachini.
I have done my master's graduation from Tezpur University, Department of Education, and I am the gold medalist, the first class first from the university. I would like to thank my parents who have always supported me throughout. They have motivated me throughout, without which it would not have been possible. And I would also like to thank my family, that is my sister and my brother-in-law. They have always motivated me, encouraged me throughout. And also my teachers, all the faculties from Department of Education, Tezpur University. I have really worked hard for this because it was always my dream to reach to the heights, and they have helped me a lot. I'd also like to extend my gratitude to my teachers from the UG, from the Handy Girls College, because they have given me the base for which I have grown to this level. And I always want to say that success is never easy. You have to work really hard. It's not like that I got it in a very easy way. I've really worked very hard. It's the all hard work that I have done day and night, and this is what I have achieved at last. So success never comes at easy. It is, you have to work hard for this. So more mahal.
Surihinira ingkoya ningkan abaha pliang deng puthimi kungri pipen arkoya cikloni phai siani anikang sam por phai truck porpen khaya melur ke kaijia birta nonjong kat news sa hemalong birta nang bale. Rusemson Singh Tichiki Moamir Birialong Aningkan Wanga Sontak Taxi Nangkileji Surihinira ingkoya ningkan arkoya cikloni phai isiani pen pliang deng puthimi kungri pi hem pipen khaya melur ke kai paduji. Puthimi kungri pi hem pipen khaya melur ke kai lake khai Longri jutang jubat lapen nim rakoma parmana pan pusi alang litumpen pachini lasi solang do karbi kurpharat stame halabang soani methanga sai lapen methanga parman pura apora teng pen kachitong dunjia phan mai pubida singh hansi lapen bidisar birendra hansi atumpen kachuning ripado Surihinira ingkoy ningkan na parman alkoy ciklo ni phai cap ani pe ni phai ingkoy ani an ni cap abaha Khelo India Youth Games mesen pen ke pechunjia phan Chief Minister abuha along Man Kido Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowar pen kachingwai Guwahati along 2020 ningkan aparman Khelo India Youth Games mesen pen ke pedojia phan Assam Chief Minister abuha along Man Kido Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowar pen kachingwai pado Lasu kachingwai along Assam Olympic Association Akongchun Bang Lakhya Conver Pensi Chenglok Assam Olympic Association along Klembang Pubang Piatum Chitongdun Mai along Kiwangji Khelo India Youth Games Mesening Samjin Pen Kipechunjia Phan Kachithan Kachimum Pado Non malom so porphan birta moing ton piksna
Border Awareness Program, Pork Eating Contest, Chili Eating Competition, Damoy Curry Cooking Contest, Dance Competition, Darhepi Awards. Witness the second Lankai Festival 2019 in Haladong Playground Lankaijan, 27th to 28th of December 2019. only on Cut Television's network.
Com Stabin, Owekimi Computer Institute ang Jokpani, Harlung Langso, Kataring Village, Karbi Anglong. A National Information Technology and Education Program affiliated under Jatya Yuva Computer Saksarta Mission for Advanced Computer Education Program initiated by MS Green. Admission open from 15 January 2020 onwards. For more details, kindly contact 60015111097, 9435124856 or 602-650-9582. While wishing you a Merry Christmas and a bright, prosperous New Year 2020.
Ganj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam Enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious one year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand. An offer you cannot refuse. Ganj Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Claret Unisex Beauty Parlor hinben Warsai Kimi Kipipon. Lasi lason Warsai Kimi along Ning Hangatum Ali Chuan Dunikha. Warsai Kimi laki chiklo jontro kapan kapamala sike Piponji. Lasi apor panhok hipin pen Claret Unisex Beauty Parlor along Patibok Damiknon, Rong Karbi, Rong Berot, near Iron Bridge, Dipu Karbi Anglong. La Silan Suseka Chinile Thojia Pan Laswa number 600-121-3664 along Humriknon.
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot. A place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014-33731, 93652-07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Dihina mo pipathot birta along Wangtulo. Ranchi Indoor Stadium along 30 Senior National Men and Women Sepak Takraw Championship Matijong Niphai Engkora Sirkep Anipen Nangkileji Surihinira Engkoi Aningkan Arkoi Chiklo Niphai Hinianian Nipo Abha Kachipati along Assam Sepak Takraw Aterangatumta Kachipati Dunji Aphan Bartanglo. Assam Sepak Takraw Aterangatum Nangkileji Surihinira Sirkep Engkoi Aningkan Abaha 30 Senior National Men and Women Sepak Takraw Championship along Chipati Dunji. Alang itum Guwahati Kamakya Railway Station Pen Matijong Niphai Engkora Truck ani ada Porpai Phoa Pormalom Rajendra Nagar Terminal Express Pensi Ranchi Arong Supian Kipileji Aphan nang Bartanglo. Surihini Rakre Sirkep Aningkan Matijong Niphai Engkora Sirkep Anipen Non Nangkileji Aningkan Surihini Ra Engkoi Aningkan Arkoy Chiklo Niphai Hinianian Nipo Abha Kachipati along Assam along Ria Farman Mesen Pen Chipati Dun Pen Nong Mekiwan Jiaphan Kipatudun Abang Hubang Pila Pen Assam Sepak Takraw Aterang Kijalin Abang Hubang Pia Tumpenta Aning Chipati Rinti Dhansuri along Surihini Rakre Sirkep Aningkan Matijong Niphai Engkora Priya Nipen Thom Kebra Isianian Lapen Nangkileji Surihini Ra Engkoi Aningkan Arkoi Chiklo Niphai Sipen Niphai Hinianian Christmas lapen ningkan kimi ketelon lapen ang pata dimai dia long trok ang ding di masa Baptist Church Karjap aning ketelon. Sominder dangalong matijong ni paeng ko rapo ni Jesu Kristo mahanggitek ani alilalon pen talon ason tak taksi dhansri dimai di church salong ta Kristo mahanggitek ani talon dun dijung jidung pen kachari mayalong Jesu Kristo alama puthak lam jaisar po kumani pen sa pensi ong dung gachitong dun Kristo aphan ki kroi arat atum aphan arni kithe arni mate Christmas puthak than pachinilo lapen trok angdeng Dimasa Baptist Church Karjap Arni Katalon Pencenglok Nangkiliji Surihini Rengkoy Aningkan Ningkan Kimi Katalon na Jaimek Kedeng Jiapan Kachisi Kachidang Pado Karbi Prime Time ang kilapon sa kang ton piglo Dumithak mi Kurwang Tu